if you've not grown from 1 store to 5 stores, if you've not increased the average ticket value from £15 to £20, if the views, likes and shares haven't translated to real, tangible results and customers, we need to have a conversation. Here at Feed, we build data-driven marketing funnels by connecting your internal and external touchpoints. Now, I appreciate there's a lot to explain here, and time doesn't allow me to go into massive amounts of detail, but let's start with the foundation. What is marketing? Although social media is very important, it does not represent the concept of marketing holistically, comprehensively, or conclusively. So, what is marketing? Imagine a circus coming to your town or city. If you take this information, create a poster, and stick it on a wall, that's advertising. If you take the same poster, put it on an elephant, and organize a parade, that's promotion. If, as a result of the above, the local newspaper writes an article, that's publicity. If, as a result of the above, the local mayor wants to meet you and shake your hand, that's PR. If, as a result of these things, you get actual customers attending the circus, that's sales. So, what is marketing? Marketing is all of the above. Marketing is strategy, and that's what we do best.